Every year, 3 million young Europeans enter the banking system. Do you want to manage your money efficiently but don't know how? Today, we'll look into your options once the money arrives at your account. Welcome to your crash course, What to Consider When Saving Money. Are you considering saving? Do you know why it is necessary? Do you think you don't have enough income? Before you choose to spend all your assets, consider your options for reasonable appreciation of your finances. The way you work with your finances has a significant impact on your life. If you decide to think about the future, it is important to start saving as soon as possible. If you have a regular income, you can start by separating a part you will save. There are 4 main types of saving, which you can consider. In the first place, it is a reserve, the money you have stored in case of unexpected life changes. It should be your minimum income for at least 6 months, which you can use whenever needed. It is also good to consider how your finances will be once you retire. There are easy steps you can take now, which will cause significant changes in the award of your pensions in the future. In addition to the benefit provided to the seniors by the state, you can establish additional incomes in your retirement. Your employer could automatically contribute to one of them. It is beneficial to set it up as soon as possible as it will increase the final amount of your pension without any further cost. Depending on a specific bank, there are several types of saving for retirement. The bank employees will gladly explain to you how it works. Savings are mostly hereditary, and therefore the money will be passed on to your loved ones if anything happens to you. Are you planning to travel to Asia or buy a car? The third option is short-term savings. You set a goal that you intend to meet within 3 or 6 years, and you calculate how much you need to set aside each month to achieve the goal. Finally, think about your long-term goals. Do you want to do a business? Buy a cottage in one's old age? Long-term savings cover plans for the future. We are talking about goals for 10 or 20 years. In this case, it is important not to deposit the money on a current account, but take advantage of other savings or investment opportunities that will value your money. The world of investments is constantly changing and updating. Therefore, it is good to get advice from experts. Check in with banks or find your financial advisor and seek information about several companies, as each will offer you its own products. Be careful about too favorable offers and pay close attention to the contracts you sign. Otherwise, you might get deceived or end up spending more money than you save. Do you already know what you want to save up for? It's never too early to start thinking about your finances, but before you act, remember to search, explore, and ask around to be up to date with the various options currently available. If you decide to save money or invest, do not forget a few important rules. Haste is a bad habit in the world of finance. Review every step you take. The economic situation will not be the same in a few years. It's constantly evolving, so it's necessary to adapt to it and start by saving money, whatever your current financial situation is. Get information from various sources before deciding where to put your money and who will manage it. It's your resources that you want to handle wisely and safely. The world of finance is a big and seemingly hectic place. Don't be afraid to jump in, anchor in it, and set your own rules. If you want to learn more about savings and finances from experts in the field, listen to our podcast in Slovak, German, or Portuguese, which will answer many of your questions. You'll find the link in the description below.